Hey boys and girls, in woodworking today we are going to learn about bolts. So on bolts, it's usually between wood and you put it and then you screw it on. But today we are going to count them, and each one of our things you can see has a number on it. What number is that, boys and girls? 3. Let's see on your fingers. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to need 3 bolts to screw on here. So we have 1. Now what's the next one? What number? 2. And then 3. Way to go. So we've got 3 blue bolts. And then the next one is a number what? 5. So we're going to find 5 red ones. So this is number, y'all count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we have 3, 5, and then we have a number. What number is that? The bubbles on the bottom, it's a 6. So we are going to get 6 orange. Y'all count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what's the last one? 6. So we have 6 orange ones. And then, oh, what number is that? 7. So we are going to get 7 green ones. Y'all count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have a stack here. Can y'all tell me which one has the least number of bolts on there? The blue, because it's the littlest, so it has the least. Which one has the most bolts? The green one, correct. So it has 7, so it has the most. And do y'all know yesterday we talked about Miss Tasha went over the hammer and the screwdriver and a wrench. And a wrench, after you screw what you can screw on with your hand, the wrench is what you use to tighten the bolts up. So, y'all can practice at home, counting, write your number on a piece of paper, draw 7 circles, you can draw 5 squares, you can draw 3 hearts, and so on. Y'all practice writing the numbers and writing the quantity of the number. So y'all practice that at home, and y'all have a great day.